Would you give me a second, sir?
Unfortunately, for once, speed and power didn't seem to do the trick.
And of course, Florida Man.
Yeah! Shots fired.
Hammond, you idiots! Oh, Hammond! Hammond, you blithering idiots!
Thank you.
Nobody. Absolutely no one. Not a single soul on this earth. Onboard Chem Europe.
Blasting a tidal wave of superheated charged particles. When will the next solar superstorm strike?
Okay, maybe that was a little too long.
Man, it drives me nuts. Who gives a shit how long a scene is?
Okay, all right. All right, maybe it wasn't that long. Never mind.
Is this a Supra? Holy shit, is that a Supra? Dude, is this a Supra? Is that a Supra? Dude, is that a Supra? Dude, is this a freaking Supra?
No, it's a caravan.
Bruh.
This individual is driving just as erratically, even more erratically. This is where it can get very dicey very quickly, especially when you're swerving in and out of traffic. And that's when you really start wondering how this is going to end, and you really start to have a lot of concern about. Now you can tell the driver is getting more erratic. Yeah, there's so many things that could go wrong, especially, you know, somebody who doesn't see that vehicle. Boy, look at this. Now that's close. A pretty fast passing of that vehicle. Shit!
We should always keep to the left lane for normal driving.
Wrong!
The other lane or lanes should only be used when overtaking. And then once we have finished our overtake, we should return to the left lane. If we stay in the middle or outer lanes when unnecessary, we will impede traffic flow and annoy other drivers that wish to overtake us.
In der Praxis scheitern viele schon am Rechtsfahrgebot. Die meisten Autofahrer bummeln, weil sie abgelenkt sind. Und diese rollenden Verkehrshindernisse haben die Beamten im Visier. Glück für den Rechtsüberholer. Weil er von dem Langsamfahrer provoziert wurde, kommt er heute ausnahmsweise ungeschoren davon.
I'm gonna do what's called a BMW driver move.
Yeah, I know.
It's the 2018 Lexus LC 500, and yes, it costs over $100,000.
Leo!
This is an Infiniti QX70, and it is the very coolest Infiniti. And today, I'm going to explain why.
Hiya!
A year ago, Infiniti announced it was leaving Europe, and I'm calling it Infiniti's Gone.
And it's gone.
Leo!
Oh!
He got a ticket for $85 for driving too slow.
You have to do what I say, huh?
That's one of my mission parameters.
Prove it. Stand on one foot. Cool. You're a Terminator.
Yes, Cyberdyne Systems Model 101.
A few moments later. Six and a half hours later.
Thank you. Thank you.
$2,000 years later.